Hello students, in the today's session we are going to talk about the solutions lesson. In that lesson, long answers, the problems which are given there. The question number 5, a solution is prepared by dissolving 45 gram of sugar in 180 gram of water. Calculate the mass percentage of solute. You are asked to find out the mass percentage of the solute. How to calculate? Either by using the formula or with the help of the following statement. And we know that the solute plus solvent is equal to solution. Here the amount of solute is 45 gram and amount of solvent is 180. So that we can have totally 225 gram of solution. So based on that, we can say 225 gram of a solution contains 45 gram of a solute. The solute given here is sugar. So 1 gram of a solution contains 1 gram of solution contains. What will you do? 45 divided by 225 gram of sugar. Then the percentage means 100 gram of solution, sugar solution contains. What will you do? We can write 45 divided by 225 into 100. So if you solve this particular problem, you can get your answer. Yes, this can be written as follows, that is equal to 4500 by 225. You know that 225 plus 225 is nothing but 450. So 2 times means 450. Here it is 20 times. So 20 percentage is the answer. It is with the help of statement. Otherwise, the same can be solved as follows. We can write the formula which is applicable here. It's a way to write the solution. We know the percentage of solute, that is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solute plus mass of solvent, and that should be multiplied by 100. Mass of solute is 45, so here it is 45 plus 180. So it is to be multiplied by 100. So that is equal to 45 divided by 225 into 100. And the same answer is obtained, 20 percentage. So either in one of the manner, either in the first format, otherwise by using this, you can get the same answer. Either one of the method can be followed. Yes, the other question given here is question number 6. 3.5 liters of ethanol is present in 50 liters of aqueous solution of ethanol. Calculate the volume percentage of ethanol solution. By using the statement, we can say 15 liters of aqueous solution of ethanol contains 3.5 liters of ethanol, then 1 liter of aqueous solution of ethanol contains, yes, we can say 3.5 divided by 15. Here the requirement is the percentage. So we can say 100 liter of aqueous solution of ethanol contains. What will you do? 3.5 divided by 15 into 100. Yes, if you solve it, you can have 350 divided by 15. Comes around 22.33 percentage. By using this statement, the problem can be solved. Otherwise, we can go with the formula method. By using the following formula, the same problem can be solved. That's also very simple. The alternate idea in which we can take the volume percentage of solute that is equal to volume of the solute what is given there by volume of solution multiplied by 100. This is 3.5. This is given as 15 into 100. So the same idea. 350 divided by 15, we can have 22.33 percentage. Okay. Yes, the hard questions which are given in the same lesson. Vinu dissolves 50 gram of sugar in 250 ml of hot water. Sarath dissolves 50 gram of same sugar in 250 ml of cold water. Who will get faster dissolution of sugar and why? The answer can be given as follows. Definitely, Vinu can dissolve sugar 50 gram in 250 ml of hot water quickly than Sarath. The reason is we know that solute is dissolving in hot water more readily, and moreover we know that solubility of solute increases with increase in temperature. So this is the main reason why Vinu can able to dissolve sugar in 250 ml of hot water. But Sarath is dissolving the same in 250 ml of cold water. That is little bit slower. Okay. The other question. A is a blue colored crystalline salt. On heating it loses blue color and to give B. When water is added, B gives back A. Identify A and B, write the equation. So this is the blue colored substance, copper sulfate 5H2O. So we can call it as copper sulfate pentahydrate, as it is containing 5 water molecules, also known as copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate, which is originally blue in color. This on heating that loses water molecule. All the 5 water molecules are lost by it, so that it is changed into a colorless substance on the loss of water. So we can call it as copper 2 sulfate. It is anhydrous. When it is supplied with the water, again when you give back water to that, on giving back water, it can be converted into copper sulfate 5H2O. So this is substance A, copper sulfate pentahydrate. This is a colorless white substance, copper 2 sulfate. We can call it as anhydrous salt without any water. So these are the questions which are given in the book back. Okay.